Number 16, first we want to determine if the given binomial is a factor, which means we need to do some synthetic division and see if the remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, it is a factor. If it's not, it's not a factor. So that's the first step. Let's do that. So A, in this case, is positive 5. And let's do the lineup. So first of all, we got the coefficients 2, negative 11, negative 16, and 105. We weren't missing any terms, right? Because x cubed, x squared, x, and then our number. So didn't have to worry about any zeros here. So first, bring down the 2, then 5 times 2 gives me 10. Add these two numbers together. Negative 11 plus 10 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Add these two numbers together. That is positive. Wow, what am I doing? Positive 21. Okay. I'm losing it. Negative 21. I'm like not saying what I'm writing. All right. Yeah, negative 16 plus negative 5 is negative 21. Then negative 21 times 5 is negative 105. We add these two numbers together, and that's 0, which is what it should be because, boom, x minus 5 is a factor, which is, what we were looking for. Okay, so now that it is a factor, it says we need to completely factor the remaining polynomial. So what is this remaining polynomial? That would be 2x squared minus x minus 21. All right, so we're going to factor this using our Xbox method. So a equals 2, b equals negative 1, and c equals negative 21. So Xbox, boom, boom. A is going to be a times c, which is 2 times negative 21, which is negative 42, and b is negative 1. Okay, so what are two numbers that multiply to give me negative 42 and add to give me negative 1? That's going to be negative 7 and positive 6. What do we need to do after this? We need to put a times x on top, which in this case is going to be 2x. Now with these fractions, we need to simplify. 2x over negative 7 does not simplify, but 2x over 6 simplifies to x over 3. All right, so to factor this remaining polynomial, it would be 2x minus 7 over x plus 3. And remember, what's my original factor that I had up here? X minus 5. So that is my final factor. Doesn't really matter what order you write these, but you have to have all three of them. 2x minus 7 times x plus 3 times x minus 5. That would be your completely factored form of the original polynomial. And that's the end of the review. We did it.